Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn turtle in Madhubani art style. So let's start. As we know, in Madhubani we have to have a border. Okay, so this is a canvas bag. You can see I'm painting on this. So we have to draw the border. You can select the border of your choice. I have just selected a very simple border for today. Nothing very difficult. Double line has to be there. Try to draw as thin as possible. If you cannot do with brush, you can use the pen or nib. You can dip it into the paint and you can use the nib as a brush. That's the traditional way of doing Madhubani art. So this is the double line. Okay. Now in between the double line, I'm not doing any elaborate work. I'm just drawing a simple lehra. हम लोग लहरिया बोलते हैं पर वो लोग इसको लहरा बोलते हैं, लहरा कचनी। आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे बॉर्डर सीखे हुए हैं, आप जो चाहे वो बना सकते हैं। आप बैकग्राउंड भी इसकी दे सकते हैं। मैं आज कचनी स्टाइल में बना रही हूँ और मैं आपको फोटोज भेजूंगी जो मेरे पुराने कछुए बने हुए हैं, तो उनसे आपको अंदाजा लगेगा कि आप अगर कलर्ड बनाना चाहते हैं तो कैसा बनेगा। What type of thing will come out if it is colored. Okay. So this is our basic border design. Now I want to teach you how to draw this. To draw this, what I did, I drew a long line of 20.5 centimeter, exactly in the middle of the canvas or paper. 20.5. You can take 20 rough. Now mark from the front 1.5 centimeter. That will be the nose. Then mark another 3.5 centimeter. That will be the mouth. Circle we will draw. So 1.5, 3.5. Then another 1 centimeter for the neck. Again I'm repeating 1.5, 3.5 and 1. Okay. Now tummy. Tummy is 10. Okay. So tummy is 10. We'll draw an egg. That is for tummy. And remaining 3 or 4 centimeter you leave for tail. This is the basic measurement. At 1.5, draw this curve. Here, show a mouth. Okay. If you want, you can show 2 nostrils also. Then, this is a little oval shape. This oval shape will have a V here, 2 circles for 2 eyes. Then, you draw circles and oval shape is over. Okay. Now draw an O, big O. You can make your turtle circular also. If you want to make circular, you make circular. If you want to make oval. Now from here, I have marked 1 centimeter this side, 1 centimeter this side. Okay. And then this is 2. This is also 2. And here is these are 4 feet. Same here from the center. This is 1, this is 1. Again, this line is 2 and this line is. Now, designing alankaran is very important. If you want, here also we show the curve, tail of the turtle. This whole turtle will show double. So measure these so that they are in one line. They are not different lines. This is our design. Now what we will do, we'll mark equidistant lines so that all the lines should have same marking so that it is very symmetrical. Otherwise हमारी drawing अगर symmetrical नहीं होगी तो अच्छी नहीं लगेगी। पहला काम ये करना है कि सब जगह हमें बराबरी से डिजाइन पे वो कर लेना है और हर जगह, क्योंकि ये सारे हम बॉर्डर के डिजाइन बना रहे हैं तो हमको सब जगह ये डबल लाइन दिखानी जरूरी है। ये हमारा बेसिक डिवीजन हो गया कि हमें इतना डिजाइन हम दिखाएंगे इसमें और इस तरीके से हम इसको करेंगे। हम यहाँ नेक पे भी बेसिक डिवीजन कर लेंगे। अब मैं आपको इसको ब्लैक पेंट से करके दिखाती हूँ। तो ये मेरा ब्लैक पेंट है। एक्चुअली आई एम यूजिंग फैब्रिक कलर क्योंकि आई एम पेंटिंग ऑन द बैग एंड there are chances that bag may be washed after few uses. ये जो मैं कर रही हूँ ये कचनी स्टाइल है। Kachni style means line work. मधुबनी में कछुए की आई ऐसे ही बनाते हैं. They draw the eye of turtle like this, just 3-4 circles. So neck design is over. Let's make the legs. These are small dashes, very small fine dashes. Each leg will be like this. We made some dashes. Now we'll start the alankaran of body of turtle. Turtle has lots of importance in Madhubani because, as we know, Vishnu ji came to earth and he came once in the form of turtle to save the earth from bad people. So Madhubani has lots of importance for turtle. In their drawings, in their artwork, they show turtle, even the Kobar, all important festivals, many places turtle is drawn. So Dohri Kachni, again double line. In between the double lines, we'll think and we'll draw some pattern. Here we are going to draw this design. This is our third border. Then again small dashes. Everything has to have double line. Instead of plain double line, I am giving this design. आप चाहें तो इसको plain रख सकते हैं, आपकी इच्छा है. If you want, you can leave it plain. Simple double line. So in Madhubani, always there has to be double line, and instead of drawing double line, I am drawing this design. This can be done. But except human bodies, everything has to have a double line. Finer the lines, better is your Madhubani. So try to paint very fine with 000 number brush, or you can do with the pen on paper. Make sure your pen is waterproof. Now I'm going to use second color in it. You can choose the color of your choice. I'm going to take dark red. Normally Kachni is done with black paint only, but to make it more attractive, I am adding another color. So this is dark red or Indian red. I'll start from the top. Bharni means filling of colors. Kachni means line work. These are the terms for Madhubani art. More kachni, more line work. These all are designs of Madhubani which are used from almost 5-10,000 years. Madhubani is very old art form. They say when Raja Janak invited the Bharat of Ramchandji, that time he asked ladies of his kingdom to decorate the kingdom, Mithila. And that time they made these patterns. In Madhubani lotus, we normally give alternate paint. Like one petal has paint, one petal will have kachni. So here I have done the same thing. As you can see, one petal has line work and one petal has. इसमें कचनी है, ये भरनी है. Dots are not allowed in normal Madhubani. They use them only in the special cases. Whatever you're making in one feet, you have to make same thing in all the feet. If you want, you can draw some other design here. I'm just drawing lines. खड़ी कचनी, आड़ी कचनी. अब इसमें हमने आड़ी कचनी इस डायरेक्शन में करी है, तो हम इस वाले पैर में अपोजिट लाएंगे. In this feet, we'll bring it in the opposite direction. Now we can do one more thing if you want. We can draw lines here in the outer one. I'll show you in some portion which will not disturb. See, like this. Or if you want, you can fill color also. It's up to you if you want to do or not. These are called alankarans. Alankarans have no limit. You can keep on decorating the thing as much as possible. We need a very thin brush for Madhubani. This is 000 number. If you are painting on the canvas, make sure your paint is thin. My red paint is Pavicryl's dark red. Black was Pabio's black. Both are fabric paints. Really 2005, not 6. Some of them may be older than that. So our turtle is ready. Now around the turtle, we are going to do some other alankara. So in this, since turtle is in the water, so I think we can plan to make some lotuses. Again, I'm going to use black paint. This is also called the background booty. This is Madhubani lotus. One here. Border is compulsory in every Madhubani painting. Any Madhubani painting without border is incomplete. This whole thing is wet. I'm a bit scared, but our turtle is ready. I'm going to complete the border. If you are drawing on paper, please leave space for framing. Always leave 1 or 2 centimeter for framing. This is called Lehra Kachni, the design which I am drawing. If you want, you can fill color in the lotuses. Like here we have given. If you want, you can leave it like that. I'll show you how will it look after filling the color. In Madhubani paintings, they don't leave the background free. Something has to be there. With this, our turtle painting is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.